guys, so today's video is going to be a quick makeup tutorial on the look I wore on my last video, and I'm using the Latte Palette, and I'm first starting off with the shade Caramel. This is a perfect transition color for my skin tone, so I'm basically applying it all over my crease. Next, I'm using Hazelnut to deepen out the outer beat of the eye as well as the inner part of the eye. With this shadow, I'm basically creating a halo effect, leaving the center of the eyelid blank. Now I'm using Double Shot to bring more color to my eye look. This is a beautiful purple shade, and I'm basically gonna be applying it in the same areas where I applied Hazelnut. I just love how this purple looks with the brown shade that we applied previously. It's definitely very spring colors and it just looks beautiful. This is the last shade I'm gonna apply in the halo parts of the eyes, so I'm definitely making sure that my blend is perfect. Next, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut the center of the crease. I'm basically just doing this to emphasize the halo of the eye, and I'm just tracing that line right where my crease starts, and I'm just following my eyelid shape and bringing the concealer down. I'm not filling in my entire lid, I'm just bringing it in the center. This is just gonna clean up the entire eye look and make the center shadow pop. Don't be afraid of doing the cut crease technique. Believe me guys, all it takes is just practice, practice, and practice. Now with my blending brush, I'm making sure to blend out the edges, and I am adding a little bit of Double Shot. Next, I'm using Creme Brulee in the center of the eyelid, and I am starting off by using my fingers just because I feel the color payoff and pigmentation show off a lot better when you use this shadow with your finger. I am switching to a detail concealer brush as soon as I get close to the line in the crease, just to make sure the line is perfect. Now I'm using this LA Girl fine liner in brown to line my top lash line. I'm using a Thrive Cosmetics waterproof eyeliner to tightline, and then I'm just gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara. I did my face and put on falsies off camera just to save some time. So to do the lower lash line, I basically used all three shadows, Caramel, Hazelnut, and Double Shot, and I applied it close to my lower lash line. I first used a smudging brush, and then I switched to a pencil brush to blend out the shades a little bit better. And lastly, just with my blending brush, just on the bottom of everything to make sure everything is blended out. Now time for the lips, and I'm using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Venus. It's the perfect pinky nude for me, you guys. I use it non-stop. This completes this Rose Halo Cut Crease makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell for more videos. With that, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.